welcome back to my channel, Struggle 7 Naturals, and today's video I'm going to do a lock repair. Kind of not really a lock, well yeah, you can call it a lock repair, because I'm so fed up of this lock here sticking all over the place. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, press the notification bell so that you'll be alerted of my up and coming videos. Thank you very much to all those who have subscribed so far, and I hope you like my videos and I hope you learn something from my videos. So let's get into it. So basically I have this lock here, which it used to be a long one, but because of my colour in my hair, I had to cut it. Well, I didn't have to cut it, it kind of broke. So I was left with this short one. I kind of made like a new lock, but it always sticks up and it's so irritating. I have another one here, which I actually joined. I'm going to take this rubber band. I hope you can see this, guys. I'm going to take this rubber band off. See that? I'm going to take this off because I put it together to hold the lock in place. Right, so I've taken the band off. So what I did, I just kind of two-strand twisted this shorter lock around the thicker one, and I wanted to use like a crochet hook. I've not used a crochet hook before, and I was trying to find my crochet hook because I didn't really want to sew the lock together, but I feel like I haven't really got a choice because I can't find the crochet hook. I can't use the interlocking tool because it's too big. I don't really want to use the interlocking tool, to be honest with you. So I might do like a little small stitch just to hold it in place. And with this one here, I feel like I need to join it to, I was going to join it to this one here at the front, but I thought it's just would be too big. So the next best thing would be this one, this one. See, these two, because this one, if I twist it, it gets quite thin. So if I put it with this one, then it will strengthen it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to push this through the hole. Can you see that, guys? Put a hole there. I'm going to push it through like that, and take this over to this side. Right. So that would be one lock, and then I'll just twist it together. If I had a crochet hook, I probably would crochet it together here, but because I haven't, I'll probably just do like a little stitch, and I'll just spray it with some water. Yeah, so I will just spray some water on there. And then palm roll it. Now you can see here, it's gonna start unraveling. So I will put just a tiny, just maybe one stitch in there, and that's it. So then I've got one perfect lock instead of having that little one little short lock will just stick out. It's just one, and that's what I want. So I haven't got any short locks now sticking out. And on this side, I've done the same thing with this one, just 2-stranded twisted it. Sorry about the lighting, guys. 2-stranded twisted it, so that is one lock. So yeah, that is all for this video. I just wanted to share that with you, that it is possible for you to join your locks. If you've got a lock which is just sticking all over the place, it's just irritating you, just join it onto a thinner one. If you've got a thinner lock, just join it onto it, and then you've got, see, you can't even see where I've joined it, can't you? I'm trying to find it now. Here it is, right there underneath. So there's no short lock sticking out, and that one, there's no short lock sticking out. It's just, you know. But yes, guys, that is it really for this video. I just wanted to show you, I've just washed my hair today, and most of the dyes actually come out. Most of the dye has come out of my hair now. It's kind of back to its dark brown state, and I've got a few greys what are showing themselves here. But yeah, I'm quite happy with my hair at the moment. Still being quite healthy, and I'm loving the aloe vera juice. I'm loving the shower attachment, what I've been using on my shower. And if ever any of you want to watch that video, then do click above and you can watch that, and click above as well if you want to see, if you want to watch my skincare routine. I did that. That was the last upload, was the skincare routine, and the one before that was the shower head review. So click above if you want to see those 2 videos. So guys, yeah, that is all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye.